All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to start to test this ChatGPT Alpha model. So you can see that I have Alpha enabled. I don't know if a lot of you guys have it or not yet, but it's pretty impressive. So let's take a look at what this has to offer. I am Jesse with JLG Marketing Solutions. I run a marketing company, and I was just enabled this, and I've been testing it a little bit. So let's see what it can do. So I enable that. And I basically can tell it anything that I want. So let's say that you're a New York Yankees fan. I'm not, but I'm just saying this for a hypothetical. What was the score of the Yankees game yesterday? And now with Alpha enabled, it'll go out on the web and do real-time results, which is pretty crazy, guys. So while it's doing its thing, it'll basically give me, a little bit of a spin here. This green box will appear, and then it'll basically tell me what it was. So as you can see, the score of the New York Yankees game against the Washington Nationals on March 28th, 2023 was 3-0 favor of the Nationals. And then it gives me this little one here, and it gives me where it kind of cited the information, and that's clickable as well. So if you expand this, it kind of tells me like a step-by-step. It says Yankees game score yesterday. Went on that, and it did it, and then it finished browsing. So let's say that, that's not good enough for you, and I want a little bit more information about the game. Can you give me a game summary about what happened in the game? Again, it'll go out, browse the internet, probably from almost the same source or another source that has the game, and it'll come up with a game summary now based on what I just asked it for. And so, National score, here's a summary of what happened for the Nationals. The key offense hit a solo home run in the second inning, and off a pitcher where they had an RBI single. So that's pretty much it in terms of the game, because obviously it was a 3-0 game, and there wasn't any major scoring or situations probably in that game. But can you see the power of this, guys? So now let's say that I want to do a new search for, what was the top trending news story from yesterday, say in the state of Florida. So it'll think a little bit, prompt to browse in the web feature, and now off we go. It's going to go out and find information for me. So I guess, the top trending news story from yesterday from Florida was about the governor running for president in 2024. So basically it's that, and then now let's say that I am a news person that I want to, can you now give me an article based on that news article and summarize it for a video script? So you can kind of see how you can pair real-time results with prompting, and then it can come out and give you content ideas and scripts and everything, from articles and everything like that. So this is just like a basic use. In my following videos and my videos to come, I'm going to basically show you how I use it from a marketing perspective, and really elevate how I evaluate websites, everything like that, because now it can access websites. It can access websites in real time. It can act as an SEO professional. It can act as a website professional. So you can kind of see the power of this. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more ChatGPT Alpha videos. And this one is just tipping the iceberg. Thanks, guys.